Hello and welcome to this Pentair Minutes to Proficient video. Today's topic, the teardown of a transfer pump. For today's demo, we will be tearing down the wet end of a Pentair Hypro 1542P at our lab located in New Brighton, Minnesota. We hope you enjoy this video. The tools required to tear down this pump include a ratchet with an extension, a 10mm socket, a 10mm wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a 13mm socket, a piece of PVC pipe, or a fitting that's roughly 1 inch and a half in inner diameter by 1 3/4 inch outer diameter, and an arbor press or dead blow hammer. To start, use the 10mm socket and wrench to remove the bolts from the casing. With the bolts removed, slide the casing off. With the casing off, it is a good idea to inspect the flapper valve for damage. One of the most common issues is when there is a restriction on the inlet plumbing. This restriction can draw the flapper valve into the pump impeller, causing damage. After inspection, remove the flapper valve using the Phillips screwdriver. Next, remove the 3 Phillips screws that hold the diffuser to the flange. With the diffuser removed, inspect both the diffuser and the impeller for wear. Now, use the 13mm socket to remove the impeller bolt. With the bolt removed, use 2 large screwdrivers to pry the impeller off the engine shaft. With the impeller removed, we see the mechanical seal seat and the mechanical seal that we are going to replace. But first, we need to use the 13mm socket to remove the 4 bolts from the flange. Once the bolts are removed, slide the diffuser off of the engine shaft. Then remove the large O-ring and the small gasket that seals the back of the diffuser. If the pump had a mechanical seal leak, you may notice some corrosion on the shaft. There is no need to clean the shaft because none of the seal surfaces make contact with the shaft surface. Now we can move over to the arbor press. Using a socket or piece of PVC pipe, either press or tap out the old seal with the dead blow hammer. Notice that there is a gasket on the back of the seal. It is important to remember to reinstall a new gasket when we put the new seal in. Last, remove the old seal seat by prying it out with a screwdriver, and then removing the key. This completes the teardown and inspection, and now we're ready to install the new seal and reassemble this pump. Thank you for watching this video.